All right, so we are in week 4, and in week 4, in my T-Lab, you have, let me see if I'll go to student, well this is student view. You have Windows 10, you should be done with that. Word, Windows 10 exam, you should be done with. I don't care if you do the trainings. Right, but the Windows 10 exam, you should be done with that. Word 1, 2, and 3 exams, you should be done with that because that takes you through week 4. Quizzes inside here, there are chapter quizzes. You should be through chapter 4 this week, and then next week we'll do a hands-on exercise. And
what if I took the
those are just on the books, the book.
If I took the final,
huh?
I took the final already.
That's fine. And then here. You have your week 1, 2, 3, and 4, so you should be through week 4 in Canvas. Why is your mouth open?
That looks like a lot, but it's probably all really easy.
It's pretty, it'll take you a day or two if you haven't done anything yet.
I've been just doing all of my IT lab. Like, I want to finish that first and then do that. Because, like, I can't, like, I don't like doing both at the same time.
Sure.
The harder
Yeah.
one first and then do
Yeah, sure, knock out my IT Lab. And these go quick. A lot of these are pretty quick. And some of them build off of what you learn in my IT Lab. A couple of them build off of my IT Lab.
So we need to be through week 4 on Canvas, which
Yeah.
is your YouTube videos. It's just pretty much explaining.
Yeah, all these assignments.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then on the MyLab, the window exam should be done. And what else?
I'm just looking to see if this screen shows up here. I don't think it shows up very well for the students, but whatever. And what else?
For the My IT Lab, the Windows exam should be done, and then what else?
I'm going to change my aperture. My IT Lab, Windows and Word 1, 2, and 3, and quizzes 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll stop this.